Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and back for another quick segment. On this particular segment, we're going to be in the bathroom putting in a sink faucet in the bathroom. Let's show you that now. Now, we already took the old faucet out, and this is our old faucet here. As you can see, it's dated. The new faucet will be as such. We're gonna clean up our area here. Gonna wipe that down and make sure the surface is clean of all residue and debris, so that when we put our new gasket on, our gasket with our silicone, we're gonna get good adhesion and water safe. We're not gonna have any leaks. All right, let's get that gasket. Okay, here's our gasket. We're gonna go ahead and begin to put a bead down. Let's do that now as such. And we're gonna be liberal, because we don't want any leaks all the way around. As such. All right. Now let's put that in place. Okay, we got that in place over our holes. Okay. Now, let's put our brand new faucet in. Okay, slide that in place. Okay. Now, we're gonna seat it as such. Okay. That's how it's gonna be, just as is. Okay, now let's go up under here and let's get our nuts fastened underneath the sink. Okay, as you can see, we have our locking nuts screwed down. Got it tight. All right. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use our Milwaukee tool to tighten it up. As you can see, it's going to fit in between the spacing and allow us to tighten that up. Let's get that done now. Okay. Now let's attach the water lines to the bottom. And because of the fact of the gasket, we're not going to use or need any plumber's tape. Let's get those installed in now. All right, we have our water lines connected. And actually, we only took the water line off of the top. We use our connection piece here to tighten it as such. If you can see that. and I use that to tighten it. Okay, let's see. So both of those are tight, that one and the other one. So now let's get our water lines turned back on as such. Turn on slow. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we put on our silicone so that we have a nice clean bead around the faucet and there will be no leaks coming underneath. All right, that will take about 5 minutes to dry, give or take. We have our water back on. Let's run that now. Okay. Are cold or hot. All right. All right, we just did a quick sink exchange. We got that done. We have no leaks. Our water runs smoothly. Oh, I forgot to mention, be sure to hit that like and subscribe. And as always, if you like to continue to see this content, stay with us. You might see something that you need done and that it may give you an idea, or you may be able to follow those steps to the letter and get you through a project. With that being said, let's go on to our next project. Talk to you later.